which takes us to walk. These would be where you're taking an existing process, something that you do several times a day, and augmenting it with AI. You're not creating anything new, any new processes yet. So if you recall back to the very beginning when we talked about those integrations, this might be something like a CRM integration. Our sales team at Hatz, we have Salesforce. Some people have HubSpot or Go High Level or Brevo, but we have Salesforce, and we also use Fireflies, the AI note taker. Our sales team does not log into Salesforce. Probably one of the only companies in the world where we have a whole Salesforce account, Salesforce administrator. No one on sales actually logs in. All they do is go to Hatz, they turn on the Salesforce button, and they turn on Fireflies, and they say, check my calls for today. The sales team, right? I'm a salesperson at Hatz. Check my calls that I had today with my clients, with my partners, and tell me if there's any opportunities for new business, and then go create those as new opportunities in Salesforce. 10 seconds later, all the transcripts from all the calls that they had that day are analyzed, and those opportunities are made in Salesforce. This might be something where it's not a CRM integration, but it's in your SharePoint, OneDrive, places where you house data. Check this folder for information about this particular partner. I have a meeting coming up and I need to know in their contract, they have X, Y, and Z, right? It can go in and find all of that instead of you having to click through different folders. Another example would be spreadsheet editing. I talked about uploading those files in that previous, on the crawl page, uploading files and having AI analyze them. Spreadsheet editing is something AI can actually talk to Excel and take something like 100 different actions in Excel, writing and manipulating formulas, analyzing things that are in your SharePoint sites. AI can also create workflows that can run autonomously, asynchronously, and you can build agents. And we're gonna look at what some of those might look like. And then that takes us to run, multi-step workflows. AI can run a number of different steps at one time. You can build complex agents where you're just chatting with something and it can go and pull information from lots of different sources. And this is where you're using AI to use AI. You've started to break through that set prompt engineering, I need to provide a persona, context, and the use case and everything, and you're actually using AI to help you develop better use cases for you. It's where you're really starting to think about your business from an AI first mindset. If your business closed for 24 hours and you restarted everything with just AI, what would it look like? Obviously, no one's going to do that, and we don't recommend that. But what would that look like? It's more of a dreaming kind of conversation. If we could just do this with AI, how would we relook at sales and operations and marketing?